Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing the new Arena game mode that they just barely added. And I'm going to be playing with my friend. Hello?
Hi!
Okay, you ready to start?
Yep.
I'm going to cook.
You got this.
Oh no, wait, I got an RPG, but it fell. No! Crap. No! Let's go. I got XP. What the heck does XP mean? Let's go! No, my controller disconnected. No! Let's go. No, crap. Oh gosh! Crap! No! Let's go. Oh gosh! Oh crap! No way! Crap!
I literally sniped you like 4 times.
Wait, you wanna play
let's
again?
do it again.
Okay. Crap! Crap, what the heck? How are you alive?
I snapped you twice!
No!
I sniped.
No! Crap! No, crap!
What? I saw you two of them.
Somehow.
Shotguns don't do as much damage, by the way. That's why I use pistols. Crap! Bro, I'm cooked. How did I miss all my shots? 20 seconds remaining. There's 20 seconds. Let me get it. There's 20 seconds.
No!
Yes! Let's go. They're probably like, how are you here already, bro? Crap. Ah! Crap, I didn't heal fast enough. No, crap! What? I'm still floating! I'm floating when I respawn! Let's go. Let's go. Huh.
How am I dying so fast?
I just have it in bot.
Goodness.
No, crap. Crap, I'm out of ammo, bro. There needs to be an ammo or I swear. Let's go! That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.